Hey guys, so today we are going to discuss about paragraph rules in Pega Constellation. So what is so special about it? We all know that, right? We have a rule called as paragraph. You can put some lines and lines of data in it and refer it on the section using a paragraph control and the text will display. And you can put it in bold, you can give different colors to it, you can do as you wish. Now, how can you do it that in Pega views in Constellation? So what is so special about it? Why should I make a video on this? There's something special about it is paragraph controls doesn't exist in Constellation. That is the problem now. There is no control called as paragraph. So there's no way to drag and drop and put a paragraph rule and display the content or make it bold and set some colors. No, all that is not so simple now. So should I use some custom DX component? Should I write my own code and all that? No, I can teach you in an easy way to achieve this. Okay, let's see how can we do that. So first, this is what I'm going to show you how to design. So I have some coupons like this. Upon selecting the coupons, I'm displaying this message using a paragraph only. Look at this. Whenever I select, the message is getting updated. Do you see this? Oh, I didn't update this message, so it's not changing. But look at this. It's 150 and then 25 and then 100. So how can you achieve this in Pega? We'll see. First of all, I took a property to hold these values. And it's a local list. It's a local list or a prompt list with all the values like this. I added it under a view like this. Coupons, it's a pick list and I'm displaying it like a radio button and in a horizontal way. That is fine. Now, how do you display that paragraph thing? So I took a property of type paragraph. Do you see this? It's of type paragraph. Okay, which is perfect. But where can I give that message? You got a discount of 100 rupees, 120 rupees. Where can I give that message? Where can I refer my paragraph rules now? So you just say like you want to display it like a text area or rich text editor. Okay. But where is the option to specify the paragraph rule? Where is the option to specify the text you want to display? Unfortunately, it is not here. You can neither refer your paragraph rules nor give a hard-coded message here. Then how can I display that content then? Okay, so that's the reason I have made this video. So what I did is I have designed a data transform for that purpose. This is my data transform. Okay, so here if you can see based on the properties selected, whatever property is selected, depending on that I'm setting the message like this. Okay, so depending upon whichever coupon code you have selected, I'm setting my message like this. So that is how it is working. So whenever I change this, it's actually calling that data transform and getting the message and displaying on the screen. Now here comes the twist. Where am I calling that data transform? Where? Where? Let's go and see. Am I calling it in the settings of the coupons? Is there an option? Any on click, on change, refresh to call a data transform? No, it's not there. So where am I calling the data transform then? Where? So to know that, you can take my self-learning course on Constellation and you can learn all these kind of things. Okay. And what if I want to display the text in bold? How can I achieve that? Let me show you how can you achieve this. It's pretty simple. You can just put your HTML like this. You can render a HTML like this. Did you ever think adding tags like this is going to change the display on the UI? Let's see how it works. Do you see it's in bold? Right? What about others? No, they are not. Okay. If you like this video, please like and comment on my video, guys. I'm putting a lot of effort to deliver this content. Okay. Please support me by liking this video. And those who want to purchase the self-learning videos on Constellation, please ping me on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.